Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Bogo, it's Sai. This is October mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Bogo, it's Sai. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Virgo. Under the deck, Page of Wands, Page of Swords, Ten of Cups, Seven of Swords, Ace of Wands. I think there are some issues between you and your person, especially trust issues. I think your person is not trustworthy. Definitely someone is sneaky in this connection. According to me, it's your person. Maybe they're always giving you false hopes here. Lot of spying is going. They are spying on you on social media. Maybe for some you are also spying on them. But there is communication is coming, text is coming. And for some your person is a player, always in and out of your life. But they want to communicate with you. And for some you both have age difference here. So let's see our reading, Virgo. Recent past, Two of Swords, Hangman, and Queen of Swords. Yeah, definitely in recent past you were confused. You don't know which decision you have to make. You're at some crossroads. But finally, you took your power back because Queen of Swords. You are setting boundaries, especially to your person, and you are taking your power back. Then present Four of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, you're missing them. For some, if you are in separation, definitely you are missing them. You're feeling missed opportunity. But someone is coming here. For some, it could be a past person. For some, it could be a brand new person. And this person is really serious about you. It could be past or it could be brand new. But because Three of Pentacles with Knight of Pentacles, very, very serious about you. If it is past person, they are coming back for reconciliation. And they want partnership with you because Three of Pentacles is here. And for some, you both could be colleagues working in the same office. Then future Seven of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Knight of Cups. You still have strong emotions towards your person, but someone is ready to say apology to you if they did hurt you, or someone is coming towards you to offer their cup of love to you. And for some, I am seeing you have options. That's why you are at some crossroads. You don't know which one you have to choose. Definitely you have options for some. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Page of Swords. And for some kids also involved in this connection, definitely they are watching you, they are spying you on social media. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Virgo. Let's see their intentions also. I think you both have strong emotions towards each other. Yeah. Under the deck, Nine of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Five of Cups, Three of Pentacles. Yes, they are missing you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. They're ready to work on this relationship, and but they have to make some choice here. Definitely both are on the same page, and they're ready to offer stability here. And for some, your person is individual, like independent. Your person is a very independent person. So their current feelings, four of wands, two of wands, and page of wands. Maybe lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Definitely they're thinking about stability with you. They're thinking about marriage with you, and they wanna communicate with you. Definitely you will receive text message. You can expect a text message from your person, and they are thinking about you a lot. And their intentions: Queen of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. You both have lot of love towards each other because you both are on the same page. You got Queen of Cups and they also got Queen of Cups card. So definitely a lot of love. And if they did hurt you, they want to say apology to you, and they're ready to share their feelings with you. Yes, they're going to reveal their true feelings. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Yeah, they are missing you. For some it will take some time because due to ego issues. Yes, your person missing you, loves you, but for some it will take time because maybe they are waiting for you take first move towards them, but they're coming back here, but they're in slow moving. Knight of Pentacles. At the same time, they're very serious about you. But you are going with the flow and living in the present moment. You want to free from this energy, and you want to be the full energy because you are also heartbroken without this person, but they're coming back with a lot of passion. Yeah, lot of passion between both of you. Yeah, and maybe for some marriage could be the issue here, commitment. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Virgo. Yeah, Five of Swords, Five of Wands, Temperance. Yeah, patience is the key. And definitely in this connection right now, there is no balance. You both have to balance things within yourself. Yeah, there is passion, at the same time a lot of issues involved here. Definitely one person is maybe could be a liar, cheater. Maybe you both waiting. Definitely patience is the key, what I'm getting here. I think you both have love, but there are some issues involved here, and patience is the key. Still, for some, there is a lot of drama is going here because Five of Swords with Five of Wands, but you both have a lot of attraction towards each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Virgo. Maybe for some, if your person is really a cheater, there is no point to wait for them. I can't give you what you need. You are the only one for me. Soulmates. So soulmates, you are the only one for me. I can't give you what you need. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Things will get better, but patience is the key because very slow moving your person. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Maybe you are dealing with Pisces here. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. So for some, maybe you're dealing with Leo. Confidence is your key to success, and you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.